Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you live from Farmington Hills, Michigan. I am excited that it is less than 2 weeks until I go to the Stampin' Up! Live event for demonstrators called On Stage. I'm pretty excited about it, and I will have lots to share with you guys in a couple of weeks. Well, some I probably won't be able to share because we're going to see what's coming up in the January to April mini and the new celebration catalog that's coming up at the beginning of the year. So I don't know how much of that I'll be able to share, but I'm excited to see it. And so that's in less than 2 weeks. So very cool. So today's Tiny Tip Tuesday is a little bit different because I've got some plans for the next 7 Wednesdays coming up. I am going to do every Wednesday. That's the plan right now. A wish list Wednesday to help you guys with your shopping for the holidays. Not only for you, things that you might want your family and friends to get for you, but also ideas for you to give to your family and friends who are also crafters, and sometimes those who aren't crafters who you think might enjoy some of the products. So that's a new fun thing. So I had something planned for today that was actually a project, and I decided to save it for tomorrow because I'm going to do it for Wish List Wednesday. So here is today's Tiny Tip Tuesday. It is a reminder that Card Club is currently still available for you to purchase. This is the club that is going to be using this stamp set, and I think one of these too. But this is that special suite that's available today for you on the demonstrator website. You can buy it that way at MemoryINKers.com. That's my Stampin' Up! Website. It's called the Flirty Florets bundle or suite. It's got the paper, the gems, the stamp, the 2 stamps, and some dies, which I don't see my dies. Oh, here they are. And the dies, the framed florets dies, which you guys have seen me talk about before. So you can do it that way, or you can PayPal or Venmo me $120. You still get everything in the suite that will be shipped to you directly from Stampin' Up. It will come in a separate box, all the product, just because it'll save us all on shipping. For $120, plus you're going to get all of the stuff you need to make these 4 cards twice. So you'll make 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 of each. So so those are your options. But in order to get the club, you have to order through me. So email me at MemoryINKers@gmail.com, or you can Venmo or PayPal me if you already have those payment links, or ask me for those payment links, and I will get them to you. So if you are going to just shop because you want that suite and you want some other Stampin' Up! Products, you can go to MemoryINKers.com, use this hostess code SVHBXVNE, and place your order that way. And if you place your order that way, you can still get a deal on the club kit for under $7. Just so you know. Okay? But you have to get the whole suite in order to get the club kit at that price, because you need stuff in the suite to make the kit. So if you're not doing that, what does the club kit look like? Well, it looks like this. You get a half a pack of designer series paper. You get all the cardstocks and envelopes and all the little pre-cut pieces. Well, not like this, because it will you will cut it out of your designer series paper. Okay. But you'll get everything else that you need. You're going to get a whole pack of gems. You're going to get a half pack of this beautiful ribbon. And you will get full color instructions for this kit. And a sneak peek at what is coming next month in club. So, and next month's club is just 1 stamp set. It's not a suite. So, just so you know. But this one is a suite. It also, the stamp set has a bundle. But anyway, that's $35 to get the club just as is with this package. Enough stuff to make the 4 cards twice. So 8 cards. All the envelopes, all the doodads, the whatnots. The only thing you're going to need is your ink, something to stamp, because if you don't want this stamp set, then you could look at it and go, I have something similar, and you could still do that. You don't have to buy the stamp set or the suite in order to make this. Got it? Hope that makes sense. All right, so that's what we're going to talk a little bit about today, and then I kind of already told you everything. So just email me, let me know if you are interested in joining club. Also, we are making these same 4 cards at the in-person class on the, I think the 3rd Saturday is the 19th of November at 10 a.m. in Farmington Hills, Michigan. You can make these cards. You're only going to make 1 of each for $20. But I do need to know, and I do need to have payment by the 10th. So let me know. And yeah, that is everything. Don't forget to share this video with your friends because they might be interested in a card club. I know a lot of people do love card clubs. So I'd love to have more of you sign up. That will help me to reduce the prices because I'll have more hostess money to spend on things, and I can pass that along to you guys. So please share this and comment below that you have shared this video, and that'll include you in the prize. I do have a prize drawing, and I forgot to grab it. I'm sorry. I will do it tomorrow during Wishlist Wednesday. And also, don't forget that I do still have the volume kit available too. So let me know if any of this interests you. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for my first holiday Wishlist Wednesday. All right. See ya. Bye.